Welcome to Woodpecker Nakijin, a hidden gem in the heart of Okinawa Main Island, where tranquility meets comfort. For booking details, don't forget to check the QR code or description below. Nestled amidst the lush landscapes of Okinawa, this charming 1.5-star hotel offers a peaceful retreat for travelers seeking both relaxation and convenience. With just 14 thoughtfully designed rooms, Woodpecker Nakijin provides an intimate and personalized experience, ensuring every guest feels right at home. The cozy rooms are equipped with modern amenities and warm decor, creating a soothing atmosphere perfect for unwinding after a day of exploration. Check-in begins at 3 p.m., giving you plenty of time to arrive at your leisure, while checkout is until 11 a.m., allowing for a relaxed morning before you depart. Families will especially appreciate the child-friendly policy. Kids aged 0 to 5 stay free, making it an affordable option for those traveling with little ones. Guests can enjoy complimentary Wi-Fi throughout the property, ensuring you stay connected, and on-site parking adds an extra layer of convenience for those exploring Okinawa by car. As an added bonus, dinner is included with your stay, offering a taste of local flavors without having to venture far. Whether you're here for business or leisure, Woodpecker Nakijin promises a serene and hassle-free stay. Ready to book your getaway? Scan the QR code or check the description below for more details. We look forward to welcoming you to this tranquil oasis in Okinawa.